We're in 10278. This is the Lido deck. Welcome in. All right, we have a king size bed. It's a small king. Got a balcony room over here. Let's go out to the balcony first. It's kind of nice. I like the swing door. It's a little easier to open than the sliders. A nice little balcony, couple chairs and a table. Here's the view of Long Beach. A lot of people out here jet skiing today. Let's head back inside and check it out. Looks like we got some light switches on the walls. Some TV. Nightstands. There's one on each side. Little cubbies to put things. Let's turn on some lights. There's a light switch right there above the bed, and I'm pretty sure what does that. Oh, that turns on the overhead lights. So couch, we got a water package. Give you some pool towels to get started. Little coffee table. This little vanity chair. This drawer pulls out. You get an hair dryer. And here is the fridge. Maybe it opens. It's a small fridge. It'll hold a few bottles. That's all you need. And we got 3 shelves up here. How you doing? Got your 120s. And there's also a 230 conversion. USB charging ports. And here you got some extra storage space. A couple shelves. There's your safe. Storage and drawers. Nice. These closet doors. There's one of our bags. Pretty good space to store things. So you can put your suitcases will fit under the bed. If you get them unloaded, you can slide them under the bed, or you can put them in here as well. Mirror in the back of the door there. There's your thermostat. Into the pate. I like that blue. It's kind of a retro color. Got places to put stuff in here. It's not too bad. I mean, it's a cabin bathroom. They're very small, but it's got everything you need. Only thing is the shower curtain. We'll have to figure out some way to keep that from sticking to us while we're taking a shower. Clothesline, you can dry off your swimsuits, shampoo and conditioner, no, shampoo and shower gel, and that has a wand on it. Pretty cool. That's your standard balcony cabin on Carnival Panorama.